Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to get a job on Glassdoor, and I will also going to show you how to create an account on Glassdoor. So first thing that you should do is you have to go to your App Store or Play Store. So you have to download this application. So you just have to search for Glassdoor, and then you just have to install this application on your device, and then just have to click on open. So right here, you just have to continue with your Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with your email. So for this one, I'm going to continue with my Google account. So you just have to choose your Google account. And then after that, you would be redirected to this page. Okay, so now you can also toggle the switch on if you would like to receive marketing emails from Glassdoor and affiliates. So if you don't want to, so you just have to toggle the switch off and then just click on what's new. And then right here, you just have to type out your first name as well as your last name. So your full name is used for identity verification and will never share your name without your permission. So rest assured. And then just click on that's me. And then you just have to answer this simple question if you're unemployed or a student. So you just have to click on this. And then here, what areas do you work in? So you just have to select one primary industry and up to two additional industries for more relevant content. So for this one, I am going to select technology. So for the tech categories, we have engineering, product management, and etc. So I'm going to select engineering. And then what areas do you work for? So you just have to select one of this again, and then just click on almost there. Right here, what are you looking for? So just have to type out here your desired job title. So for example, I would like to have a job which is a virtual assistant, so you just have to click on that. And then right here, your location, so you can use your current location right here. So you just have to allow, and then just click on keep going. Okay, and then right here, how do you identify yourself? So you can select your option over here. So if you prefer not to say, so you can select this one as well. Okay, and then just click on continue. And then right here, you can also sign up for notifications, so you can select that now as well. And then you'd be redirected to your feed after filling out those simple questions. Okay, right here, so when you scroll down, you would be able to see here the different perspective of the people who are working on Glassdoor. Now, in order for you to get a job, of course, you have to go to the jobs section. So once you're here, you would be able to see different jobs that is related to the one that you have selected earlier. Okay, so when you scroll down, you'd be able to see here the how many days the job was posted. So we have here 1 day ago, 7 days ago. So see, for example, this job, you're interested with this job, so you just have to click on this job, and you have here the job highlights, the job details, as well as the average base salary estimate. Okay, then the description. Moment, and then you would like to save this job for later, so you can apply this one for later. So you just have to simply click on this one over here, and then this job save in your profile. Now you just have to go to your profile to view your saved jobs, and then just go to your saved job section, and you'd be able to see here all of the jobs that you had saved. So now let's go to the companies section. Okay, so let me just close this one. and then go back here on the companies. So when you click on this one, you can use the search bar at the top, and then you just have to type out the company name. Okay, so say for example you would like to apply for a job to a company, so for example Samsung, so you just have to type that out and then look for different companies over here. So when you click on that company, you would be able to see here the overview of the company. You also have the reviews of this company, the available jobs for this company, the salaries, and then the interviews. Okay, so when you go to the job section, you'd be able to see here all of the available jobs that you can apply to. Okay, so let's try to go to the salary section. So for this one, when you click on this, you'd be able to see here a pie chart for the salary of the specific job. And now let's discuss the salaries section. So when you click on the salaries option, this one at the bottom right of your screen, okay, so you would be able to see here the salary overview for the job that you are looking for or your job preferences. So when you click on this one, you'd be able to see here a chart for you to fully understand the salary of this specific job. Okay, you have here the job titles. So you've got different salary range for different jobs. Okay, because it will depends on the difficulty or the hours that you have to work for that specific job. Okay, so when you click on your profile, this one at the top right of your screen, you'd be able to see your settings over here. So you have your save jobs, job preferences, companies, account settings, and demographics. So when you go to your account settings, you'll be able to see here all of this important details. So it's up to you if you would like to explore the settings. But if you would like to, upload your own resume, okay, so you can go here on your job preferences section, and right here on the resume section, you'd be able to upload your resume over here. You can use a PDF, docs, or documents, or text. Okay, so you can also stay up to date with your job search. So you just have to see your recent job activity over here. So when you click on this one, you'd be able to see here all of the jobs that you have saved, as well as your job alerts, and then the jobs that you have applied. So the best advice that I could give you is to look for a job that is related to your field. Okay, so you have to apply for a job when you know that you are ready to accept that position, because some of the companies they'll be conducting interviews, or they want you to send a proof that you really is good for that job position. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.